Hi, it's Mrs. Foreman. Today I will be going over a very brief tutorial of Google Classroom and all the awesome functions that it has. To get to Google Classroom, you first need to log into your Google account. The easiest way to do that is to go to google.com and sign in using your Google account. Your Google account ends in @pacificunionschool.org. So as you can see right here in the upper right hand corner, we have the Google account. And then there is the waffle icon, I like to call it. Go to the waffle icon in the upper right-hand corner, click on that, and then find Google Classroom. And Google Classroom is right here. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, next you see Mrs. Foreman's second grade, and I'm logged on right now as a student, and my student name is Room 10, RM10. Here you see Mrs. Foreman's second grade and the stream. The stream is everything that I post. Everything will be posted on the stream, but it's easily lost because every time I post new material, it goes back to the top. And then say you're looking for an assignment that was posted on Monday, it may be further down. You will have to scroll down. So I'm going to show you some things that I have set up to make it easier for you to follow. Okay, so if you are wondering what has to be done for the week, I will make sure that I post everything on Monday morning, 8 a.m. I'm scheduling it to be posted. If you go to classwork, I'm going to click here on classwork. At the top, you see frequent forms. That'll have your Wildcat 100 club sheet, suggested schedule, and some other fun and free ways to learn. Here is where I am going to lead you to next. The weekly assignments. Everything for each week is posted on Monday morning at 8 a.m. As a parent, I really appreciate knowing everything that has to be done for the week on a Monday. So I'm going to show you weekly assignments for last week, April 27th to May 1st. So if you click on here, it's listed as materials. So there's nothing that is everything that's due or is an assignment that needs to be handed in will be marked with a star. So if you could just note that. So I try to post everything under language arts. Here are 6 things. It's writing and reading mostly. And then if you see in parentheses, I tell you where to find that assignment or that material or video or whatever it may be. So you can see this will be posted in the stream. And then this graphic organizer, compare and contrast 2 versions of the Little Red Riding Hood story, was posted in classwork under reading comprehension. And if you scroll down here, you'll see here's reading comprehension, and here is that assignment. And if you go back up, you'll see that that one should have an asterisk. As you can see, it's starred. So that means there is material that needs to be turned in. And then here's writing ideas, reading, and some art videos. I'm putting art in with language arts. And then there's your math, there's your science, and there's your social studies. I want to show you, for example, an assignment, for example, regrouping with subtraction in math. You can see that it says missing because room 10 is actually me. So I didn't do the assignment. But don't worry if you get the emails that are saying, oh, you have a missing assignment. I am not stressing about it. As long as you are participating and doing as much as you can that works for your family, that works for me. So if you view assignment though, I'm gonna either A, hand in the Google Doc that I've created and fill in the answers, and then another way that you could say, oh, I did the Khan Academy, I'm gonna turn it in. Turn in work without attachment. This time I'm gonna do it without an attachment. I am trying to create a Google Doc for those most assignments that I want handed in so you have something to turn in. Your other option is to take a photo of it and then you can attach something. So I'm going to unsubmit that real quick just to show you how to attach something else. So I can attach I can add a link, a file. So if I wanted to do a photograph, I'd probably attach a file, and either you could do that through your phone or your iPad that you have right on there, or somehow you're going to have to get the image or photograph onto your laptop to attach it. Okay, so just wanted one real quick reminder that all work will be posted under weekly assignments, and it will be listed for the week that week, and you can see that I have outlined everything for you, and anything marked with a star you need to attach a file or mark as done, and then mostly other things are optional. um, I appreciate your time and effort with this, and I hope to give you any other support that you may need, and feel free to email me or Class Dojo, text me, or whatever you need to do. All right, thanks so much and take care.